Hey folks, if you're like us and getting used to this new normal in quarantine life, you're probably getting ready to knock out all those DIY projects around your house that you always wanted to do but just never had time to get around to. I know that's true for us. And I found something the other day as I was hanging some stuff on the walls that I thought was really killer. It's this little invention here, which is nothing more than a piece of paper with painter's tape taped up to make an envelope. And what you do is you stick this to the wall before you drill into it, and this catches all the stuff, all the drywall that falls down. It is the coolest trick ever, and it makes the cleanup way less messy because everything gets caught in here, and then you can dump this out, throw it away, reuse it, whatever. Anyway, it took me 47 years to find this little trick on the internet. I want to save you some time. So if this is helpful, stay thumbs up it. And as we stay in this quarantine life we're living, stay safe and be healthy, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.